The National Treasury forecasts South Africa's GDP will grow by 1.9% in 2025, driven by structural reforms and improved investor confidence. This follows a disappointing 0.6% growth in 2024, impacted by agriculture and transport issues. Moreover, in the 2025 budget review, Finance Minister Inokoto Ngwane emphasized the government's commitment to economic growth and support for vulnerable households. Additionally, despite a decade of stagnation with average growth below 2%, the medium-term outlook is more optimistic, with investments in infrastructure aimed at boosting the economy. Economist Professor Walter Krugell discusses the potential implications.
There are a lot of interesting things to mention regarding the budget, but one of the interesting numbers is the economic growth rate that the minister is assuming. He has assumed a growth rate of 1.9% for this year. This is interesting because it says something about his confidence in the plans for economic reforms and how that could boost economic growth this year. There's also a other side to this in the sense that it's closely linked to the debt to GDP ratio. If the minister assumes a high GDP growth rate, it makes the debt to GDP ratio look better. So assuming very high growth, that could be unrealistic, could be a way to deflate the debt to GDP ratio in an artificial way. And economists will be keeping a close eye on this as the budget debates continue.